What's up, y'all? It's Kirsten from Path to Summit LLC, a virtual project management firm that provides project staffing, project guidance, and creates PMOs for organizations all over the globe. Our team uses different tools for different reasons, including Monday.com for our project and task management, as well as Slack for our communication. Instead of switching back and forth between different tools, I like to set up integration. Today, we're going to walk through an integration that alerts me in Slack when a status changes on a task in Monday.com. Within the Monday.com board that I want to integrate into Slack, I'm going to click on Integrate. Next, I am going to search for Slack. Next, I'm going to find the recipe that allows me to be alerted directly when a status on an item changes to specific things. Here. Let's click Use Template. Next, I'm going to choose an account to actually connect. Next up, we're just going to fill in the blanks of the recipes. When a status changes to something, I want to know when things need to be reviewed by myself, so I'm going to click on For Review. Next, we can personalize a message that's sent directly to a user or direct message in Slack. I'm going to choose the user of myself when any of these things change, and I am going to customize the message with, hey, this item in this board has changed to the status. Check it out. The reason I'm going to put that message in there is because I might want to do this with other boards, right? And so I think it's really important if we're getting all these different alerts sent directly to us that we actually provide some clarity in the message that's sent to us. What item? What board? Next, I'm going to click on User and search for myself. Create automation. Now, when any status on an item changes to For Review, it's going to notify me in Slack with a very specific message. Because I've already set this one up, I'm going to hit the ellipses right here, the 3 dots. I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to choose my account again for Slack. And then I'm going to say when status changes to stuck, because I also want to know when items are stuck. My messaging is already there, so it's going to provide the item name, what board, and what status it's changed to. I'm going to click off over here and then click on Create Automation. We now have 2 different messages that will be sent directly to me based on status changes that I really need to know about, if something's stuck or if something is for review. I'm going to add a couple more just for fun because I actually really needed to do this. I'm going to duplicate one more time and have this status specifically be update needed. Let's try it out and see what happens when we change the status to one of those options in Slack. In my Monday.com boards where I set up that integration between Slack, I am actually going to mark this task for review. Down here, we see an automation is running and that it was ultimately completed. Because of how I set up my apps in Slack, you can see that it actually went directly to my Monday.com app. So the notification is right here. Hey, send Dropbox sign to PTS billables hours has changed to For Review. Check it out. Right here, there's a link. I can go ahead and click on that and it will bring me directly to the item within Monday.com on that specific board. Don't spend a ton of time clicking back and forth between tools when you can actually integrate things to be much easier for yourself. Create automations and integrations that are going to cut down on that clicking and searching around time. Have the information brought to you. Be sure to check out our other Monday.com tutorials, how-tos, and helpful videos here on YouTube. Have questions? Comment below. We actually respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Path to Summit channel for more project management tips, tricks, and software tutorials.